C.
ओके सर, 5 मिनट बाहर आएंगे।
हाँ, देखिए लर्न करो बेटा ध्यान से, है ना। Listen better, DPP will be the question will be root question of trigonometry. Because these are coming to exam, these are chapters will coming to exam. Trigonometry questions are prepared. Okay, we are tomorrow is my dear off. Okay, tomorrow is off. DPP will be preparing the Ganesh exercise 8.3 question from the starting once again, है ना? 4 times each question. Yes, Mika. Sit. Learn हो गया. इसी हो गया, तुम्हारा भी learn हो गया. Learn it. That's the reason I'm telling you to all clear. If you are asking me earlier, so I'm definitely start. Mostly questions I'm giving you the explanation because the introduction. There is a small introduction, which is probability of happening event and probability of not happening event will be 1. Will be 1. There is a possibility of happening event and there is a possibility is not happening event. There will be always equals to 1. And this is also you can consider as a formula. This is the formula. Come in the one word tomorrow. After tomorrow. One word. Next formula. That will be probability of an event. Probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Let's suppose you have a coin. Okay, you have a coin. Okay, coin have only two sides. Whenever you are tossing a coin, so there is only possibility tail is introduced and head are introduced. Okay, apart from this, only two conditions are introduced. Neither be third condition. खड़ा आ गया तो खड़ा कैसे आएगा? अरे तुम थोड़ा उछालेंगे सकते हो या कुछ लोग तो जूता भी उछालते हैं गली में. सीधा आ गया तो टेल, उल्टा आ गया तो हेड हो गया. ऐसे आज की जनरेशन चप्पल गेटिंग मच बच्चा. दिस इज द टेल एंड दिस इज द हेड. Once we talk about probability of tail, probability of getting what? Tail. So what is the probability? Probability of getting tail is what? 1. Is what? Sometimes या तो tail will be introduced, otherwise head will be introduced. Total how much? Getting next probability of getting get head h head. What is any issue? Probability of next concept will be probability of the question will be, there is a question will be 3 red ball 5 black ball, find probability of black ball and probability of red ball. Second part, probability of green ball. This is the question, how we can find out the probability. Introduction part. Subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, guys. This is a, my dear, cross. No. It is a crash. We can consider this is a, my dear, only general information point of view, because is there of an instrument have an examination on Monday, on the basis of we are accidentally were discussing this chapter, not, my dear, intentionally. ये accidentally chapter है. Accidental Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. See, how many balls? 3 ball, 5 ball. Total. This is the solution, bachcha. Okay. Very simple. Probability is my favorite. Second favorite. Third ball. 3 balls, 5 balls. So what? Total number of balls will be 8. So probability of, find the probability of black ball. How many black balls? So probability, P stands for probability of black mamba. Probability of getting black ball. Yes or no? How many black ball? 5. Okay, upon 8. Probability of getting red. P of probability of getting. Getting is important. I also mentioned the getting red ball equals to 3 upon probability of getting green. Write it. Green है ही नहीं, so probability क्या होगी? 0 upon 8. जैसे probability of getting in Monday, not Monday, there is a Sunday, tomorrow is Sunday. So in Sunday, what is the possibility of Pakistan win the match once again? Pakistan is in semi-final right now. Do you know? Pakistan is in semi-final. Tomorrow is the match. So what is the possibility of Pakistan win the match? 0%. What is the possibility? There is a sun rises in the west. What is the possibility? Are you getting? What is the possibility? He is a boy. है ही possibility, वो तो zero होना कि तो ही boy. समझ में आ गया? और example तो enough. This is enough, okay? Understanding point of view. फिर example देते लगे फिर chapter हो गया हमारा. Do it fast. Sit. What do you mean by acids and what do you mean by base?
Sir, acids.
Come here. Probability of getting acid.
Sir, acid. Sir, H.
बोलो acid shows H plus ions.
Acid shows H plus.
Shows
H plus ions.
Next.
Sir, red litmus to blue.
Next.
Sir,
They soar in taste. Basis.
blue to red.
Blue litmus to red.
Sir, H.
OH minus.
H minus. And sir, they
बीटिंग नहीं बेटा बीटर
bitter.
तूने बीटी लिख दिया मारता नहीं है ऐसे बेस को कोई ओए चांस देगा हैं ओए चांस देगा तू हैं ओए चांस देगा ऐसा नहीं करते बेटा है ना सेल्स बेचारा ओए चांस दे रहा है दे तो रहा है ओए चांस इट विल गिव्स ओए चांस ओके बीटन सॉस ओके हाँ sometime my writing my dear is very fascinating because all the words my dear is very look at my writing my dear. Okay, move it forward, better learn carefully. Next concept will be let's suppose there is a defective bulb 120 is not defective bulb is easy concept. We are discussing the squares number of we are discussing the questions from the wait there is a question which is favorable outcomes of dice. Favorable dice topic. Mention the heading dice. Hindi में we can say pasa. It is called pasa. Dice concept. Probability of favorable outcomes of die will be what is the favorable outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 so question is probability of get prime numbers first. Second, probability Shruti, see, whenever we are thrown a dice once, we are thrown a dice once. Do you mean by thrown a dice once? Meaning of it? हमने एक बार डाइस किया क्या हो गया बेटा favorable outcomes of a dice. So dice we are thrown once. हमने एक बार पांसे को फेंका फेवरेबल ऑफ आउटकम्स, क्या क्या फेवरेबल चीज हो सकती है? 1 2 3 4 5 6, अरे नॉट फेवरेबल बेटा, इट इज अ टोटल यार, इट इज व्हाट? टोटल, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स, प्लीज करेक्ट इट माय डियर, फेवरेबल काट के टोटल कर लो, ओके? टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is coming, my dear, in the previous year 2024 boards, my dear, this question are come in CBSE also, one word plus, my dear, 3 marks question. Probability of getting a prime number. First, the probability of getting a prime number will be, formula light, first of all write the formula, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So probability of getting prime number, so how many prime numbers? 1 to 6. I think your facial expression is never indicate. 2 3 5, how many prime numbers? 3 upon 6. Any issue? Will be cancelled. 1 upon 2 will be the answer. Next question, number second, the probability of perfect square, it will be perfect square 4, यानी कि 1 upon 6. There is only one square is exist, 4 is only square, 2 is not square, 5 is not square, 6 is not square. Getting? Third question, probability of getting more than 1, 1 से greater number we are find out the probability. तो 1 से greater कौन कौन है? 2 3 4 5 6, तो 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 upon 6. Probability of getting, question number 4, probability of get less than 6, 6 से less than 5 upon 6. Okay, probability of getting odd numbers, fifth, probability of get odd numbers will be, odd numbers how many? 1 3 5, so 3 upon, ऐसा मत करना, sometimes student 4 is a perfect, is a 4 upon 6. Okay, how many odd number बच्चा? 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, so 3 upon 6, cancel it, 1 upon 2. How many even numbers? 6, probability of getting even numbers, probability of getting even number, ये भी, this kind of question will also introduce, probability of getting even number will be 3 upon 6. Any queries? Probability of getting irrational number, all are irrational, my dear, 0. Probability of getting 8, probability of getting 8 over here, 0. Probability of getting 9, 0. Probability of getting some, understand? Write it. Define. What do you mean by electrolytic cell? Electrolytic cell. Which kind of solution is there?
Sir, A
Solution.
solution, sir.
Sodium chloride. What? Sodium chloride. Whenever the switch on the current, so sodium chloride is starting, my dear, what? A reaction. Start reaction. So sodium chloride, my dear, convert in the form of switch on current. So start converting in the form of salt. It convert in the form of salt and water. The sodium ions are moving in, my dear, cathode, because plus ions, the plus are moving in the cathode ions. Cl is negative ion. So negative ion moving in the anode. Like, so you can explain like me, my dear. Okay, develop yourself, my dear. Improve yourself. No, never thinking about why is both are moving, how I am moving, when we are moving. I am feeling alone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I am feeling very disappointed. How I am moving forward alone today. How the all stop all this thing, my dear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is not gives you, my dear, contribute your goal, my dear. इधर आइए. तुम्हारा क्या टारगेट है लाइफ को लेकर क्लास 7th में 8th में? व्हाट इज योर टारगेट?
Sir, sir,
मार्क्स परसेंटेज को लेकर कितने परसेंट लाना चाहते हो आप? व्हाट इज योर एम?
sir,
95%. 95 लाने के लिए 95% हर रेगुलरली यू हैव टू बी कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, माय डियर. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी इसके लिए. 95% रोज अपने शरीर को, माय डियर, आपको प्रयास करना पड़ेगा, एफर्ट्स डालने पड़ेंगे. 95% रेगुलरली अपनी बॉडी से काम लेना है. यू हैव टू बी फोकस ऑन योर वीकनेस. समझ रहे हो? वीकनेस क्या है? राइटिंग गलत है, अच्छी नहीं है. सेकंड वीकनेस फ्लुएंसी नहीं है. थर्ड वीकनेस कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इंक्रीज नहीं होता है. तो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, राइटिंग, फ्लुएंसी, हाउ इट विल इंट्रोड्यूस, ये तुम्हारी वीकनेस और हाउ इट कन्वर्ट इन माय डियर स्ट्रेंथ. it will be converted in the strength whenever you are keep focusing on constantly and consistency. बोलो कंसिस्टेंसी से दूर होगी. किससे दूर होगी? कंसिस्टेंसी. रेगुलर पढ़ने से, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करने से. yes sir. Whenever we started the beginner, the my cycle will be, my dear, our hands, my dear, are drifting, my dear. कांपते थे यार. yes or no? whenever we started regular basis, my dear, सीख गए. ऐसी पढ़ाई है. वीकनेस पर काम करना है. क्या करना है? काम करना है. वीकनेस पर लेकर बैठना नहीं है. कोई कमजोर नहीं होता है. lack of practice is a weakness, my dear. lack of practice is a weakness. So now time is a generation, my dear. Some students are very dedicated for the convert his weakness in the strength. Done. Sit. A question from the book which are defect question. Defect from the bulb, like this is question number defective pants accidentally. Okay, whatever the questions I am solving as we can say as a example, this question is already given you. A dice thrown once, prime number line between 6 already. King of red color, face card. This is you can easily find out, my dear. I am able to solving the sir introduction. Clearly understand. 5 cards, Jake, Queen, King. Easily you can attempt a diamond, all that thing. 12 defect. This is important question. This is important question. Most important question. Important. Marble question is also important. See this one. 3 black balls, red balls. We are already done. Defective bulbs. So, see, 12 bulb will defective, and 132 bulb will bulb goods. Accidentally, 12 defective bulbs are mixed in the 132 good bulbs, my dear. Accidentally. So, how we can Shruti start this question? Because you are my dear student. So, total number of bulbs. 132 plus 12. This is your first step. Yes or no? 144. Yes or no? 3 और 1 4 2 2 4. To find out number of probability of, yes, question, ask the question, set the question. Probability of getting
Probability of getting out a good one.
good one. Good one. It is very easy for us. First of all, write the formula number of formula is important. First of all, write the formula. Number of favorable upon outcomes, total number of outcomes. Good one. Good bulb will be upon total number of divided. You to be very honest, give answer my question because it is a my dear very good time for us. So whenever we are dividing it, so 2 and 4, which are comes in which table? 2 6 are starting minus 12 1 to 12 6 times. 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4. 72 and 66 comes in which table? 2 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. 72 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Which table? 3 1 are 3 and 3 1 are 3 equals 6. 11 by 12 is the answer. First, second part. Second part.
Since मैं दिया है not to defective.
Not defective. This we are already done.
What is the probability that this bulb is not defective?
Defective means it is not defective. It is 11 upon 12. It is not a bulb, it is a pan. Okay, by mistake. Okay, it is a
So अगर bulb भी आए तो कर सकते हैं.
same. Procedure will be same both of them. Okay. If not defective and not replaced, now bulb is drawn at random the red. What is the probability that bulb is not defective? Acha, probability of bulb will be defective. Probability of defective bulb. Defective pen. Sorry, defective pen. So what? Defective pen how much? Upon. Okay. Another type of question is also come like there is a my dear what? I think you can understand what I am trying to say. Shruti, this is enough. Right. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम. वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, एक प्यारा सा कमेंट. व्हाट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस इफ यू आर यू रेगुलरली वॉच माय वीडियोस, रेगुलरली getting the idea deep knowledge from the sessions, so you can mention your experience in the chat box and comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Okay, chat box में I am not able to write, sorry.